Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video in our series of beginner tutorials for Python. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the if statement. So let's jump straight into this one. In order to do this we're going to need a variable. So let's say my age equals 17. We're then going to use the keyword if. We're going to say my age is less than 18. Then going to say colon, hit enter, and make sure we're tabbed into the correct position, and just say print, and then we're going to open and close a set of quote marks and say you are younger than 18. Now if we hit run, we'll see that the condition here is being met, so the code inside the if statement is running. Now we can extend our if statement by hitting enter and hitting the backspace, and we can say elif for else if my age is greater than 18, add a colon, hit enter, ensure we're tabbed into the right position, and we can print you are older than 18. So if we change the age to 19 and hit run, we'll see that we are getting the output you are older than 18. But what happens if we change our age to 18, for example? We'll see that neither of these points are being hit. So there's a third thing that we can add to our if statements. If we hit enter, backspace, and we say else, we're going to then use a colon, hit enter, and ensure we're tabbed into the right position. And this is going to catch anything that doesn't fall between the age being less than 18 or the age being greater than 18. So the only thing that leaves logically left is you are 18 exactly. So now if we hit run with 18 as our age, we'll see that you are 18 exactly prints. If we add anything lower than 18, you are younger than 18 is shown, and anything higher than 18 shows that you are older than 18. And that's it. That's as simple as the if statement is. In this video you've learned about if, elif, and else, all within the if statement. If you found this video useful, please consider giving the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and sharing this with a friend who might also find the video interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.